cooking. They sent me that. Now, I got a guy, he needs to be out it's a steam-powered rocket. He knows. It's eco-friendly. Yeah, there you go. But this guy's name, he holds the land. Eric?
Need a hand with that?
Yeah, really little guy, yeah. Come on up, Chris. It is very close. Just come over a little bit. Yeah, this is big time. We'll probably find it one way.
Somebody else. Good. Alright, guys. I know.
This is old school, man.
Absolutely.
I bet they got crescent wrenches too.
Look how the cabinets look in there.
Oh my.
There's 40 years worth of stuff in there.
Yeah. They might have found this old car in an old garage somewhere, you know.
Did he say do that whole night? Look at that. How you doing? We're good. Right there together. Let's go.
They probably just show up and make some passes. No. Yeah. Well, you gotta be pass safety. You gotta pass safety.
That's a tech guy right there, Steve Gibbs.
He's gotta be breaking some of this stuff.
Yeah, he's the head guy over the tech.
Put the car in the trailer. Looks like there's so much stuff
You got to take the wing off to get it in there.
Just imagine four of those little boats like that hold that thing on there with all that downforce.
Oh. And you're taking it on and off every place you go.
Hey, don't film me. Everyone, you'll be laughing for a month.
I got you.
Hey, we're classy.
Like how many electricians did it take to change a light bulb?
Hey.
5? We're like a rock star, man.
I thought his arms was going to get turned into marshmallows, man. Hold them up over his head like that.
Help him. 5 electricians to change a light bulb. 1 to hold the light bulb and 4 to turn the ladder.
Hey, like a county job, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. He's got an old school Allen wrench tool. Multi one.
Yep.
Hey, you just got to try.
Look at the belly pan. That thing's it's got some miles on it.
Oh, yeah.
You see where the rods came out before? It almost punctured it. Big dent.
Where at on this?
Yeah. The belly pan.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. That is something.
Damn, the parachute strings, the springs on it. Look at the cloth is all tethered.
Yeah, that's just what pops it out.
Right.
The cloth is supposed to help drag the rest of it out.
Absolutely, but it's got some mileage on it.
Yeah. You gotta spend the money on engine parts, man. That's
Don't worry about stopping.
Forget the trailer, huh?
No, it'll stop.
Which got a driver? He drives it?
I don't know.
I think he drives it.
Is this guy?
I think so.
Well, usually the guy that packs the chute's the one that drives.
Yeah.
So see who does that.
I think I saw him on TV before.
Hey, my friend. Good to see you. Hey. I saw
Guess
you
he's British.
Yeah, he rides that European drag racing. I think I saw him on MAV TV before. That overseas racing.
Yeah.
They run hard over there.
Hanging out. Yeah, a lot of Brits here. Yeah, just saw Danny Page, Liam Jones. Miss Pocker here. Hey, help the shot there, guys. Hey. This is our first one of the year. Yeah. That's all right. Let's grab that on our alcohol, guys.
I ain't got nothing to block anything out.
Wonderful.
Roll the carpet out and go. That'd have been like Don Garlick's trailer in the 70s.
Right. And when he stopped, he still had one like that. Him and the Greek. They didn't get no big truck.
No. They used to work on these things in the grass in places.
When they used to come to Bradenton back in the day, they used to all be out in the dirt.
Yeah, I was in St. Louis and it was in the dirt. Pits were in the dirt.
Yeah,